Hi, it's Emily from WTI. If you're a fan of mid-century modern decor and plants like I am, you're going to want to check out this beautiful modern planter from the Luxeporch store. This planter is absolutely gorgeous. It is a standalone conversation starter. But there's some things about this brand and this planter that make it even more amazing. These planters are made from 100% organic raw materials. That means that they are 100% recyclable and compostable. So not only are they beautiful, but they are extremely sustainable and good for the planet. This is a purchase you can make feeling good about doing something good for the earth and beautifying your home at the same time. This planter comes in 2 pieces. The top easily removes from the base. There is a drainage hole in the top piece that keeps your plant from becoming waterlogged if you plant it directly into the planter. The base also catches the water, which makes it both a self-watering planter if you use a wick. It also protects your furniture from any dripping when you water your plants. This planter is very lightweight. It's easy to move from room to room. And I love the Varen white color. It just goes perfectly with any decor. This planter is appropriate for use indoor or outdoor, so the possibilities are endless for how you can use this beautiful, luxurious planter. I absolutely love this planter. I think it elevates the look of my home, and I am so glad to have one. I think you'll love it too, but that's just my point of view.